Guys, today I am going to tell you some of my amazing apps. So my first app is All Women's Talk. It will give us the information related to our hair care, skin care, or any other care. Like if we directly click on this explore, we will find so many things related to our health, fitness, travel, shoes, movies, what type of movies we should watch, means what are the movies nowadays trending so we can watch, and even we can find some celebs who are trending nowadays, or jewelries or apps or cooking, diet, funny food, even our hair care, makeup, beauty. So many things are available over here. Even in this app you can add your own article, or even you can keep it as your favorite article, and you can watch it over here. And even you can share your articles to your friends. And one more thing, friends, this app we cannot find on Play Store, you can directly find on Chrome. In Chrome you directly write All Women's Talk, like this, All Women's Talk, then APK, and you will directly find this. And for first one only you can click on that and then download APK. And next app is Ayurvigyanam. Ayurvigyanam is an app you can find on Play Store very easily. And in this app you can find some things like how you can frame your body. We all are having Vita, Pitta, and Kapha. I know we all don't know about Vita, Pitta, what it is. Panchma Bhutas actually defines it like sky, air, water, fire, earth. These are Panchma Bhutas, uh, from which our body actually framed. So in by this we can find this Vata is from sky and air, and Pitta is from water and fire, and water and earth is equal to Kapha. So if any of these is we are not having in our body, or not now, not having, but um, little bit we are having in our body, then it is we need some of the tips that how we can increase or solve our body frame. So for this this app first asks the queries, that how is your body frame, and how is your weight, and how is your skin type. So all these queries asked by this app one by one, and after this it will directly take us to the information that how our body frames actually, and what are the things we need to do to keep our body framed good. So these are some information given by this app. Actually it provides a diet and lifestyle and exit. You can see down here that diet is given, that how you have to diet your day to day life, and you how you can what you can eat, and what you can do. So lifestyle, in this lifestyle you can see that what you can do in your day to day life, in day rituals and in your night rituals, what you can do. Even you can find it over here, your Ayurvedic lifestyle day rituals. All the day rituals are given over here, and all the night rituals are also given over here. And also the lifestyle, if you are having a problem in your Vata and Pitta style, then you can find information here. And one more which is very useful, this one, that breakfast, you can see the breakfast recipes are also given, lunch recipes given. As you solve the queries, you will get all these information in your app. And in fact you can consult a doctor from this app by using by informing them through WhatsApp, or email, and it is totally free. Even you can put an alarm to your to wake up, or oil pulling, or if you want to drink ginger lemon water in morning, you can put an alarm. It is very very useful app for all of us. So this is an app called Ayurvigyanam. Next app is Cosmetic Organic. Cosmetic Organic is also a also good app, or uh, here also you can see that what type of product, not product, but remedies you can use to cleanse your skin, or you can remedies given by this app. By the recipes, you can also put your own recipe, and you can find the tips and tricks for this uh, for your skin, or for your hair, or for your face. Even you can find that here the here it is specified at what you want to find. You want to find all the things, or mask, hair mask, shampoos, oils, styling, or others. It provides limited information, but it is very very useful. Here you can see that there are so many things provided by this app for your skin, for your for your face, for your hair, for your body, and even there are ingredients also, that what ingredient you should have at home, so you can have your skin glow, or um, looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section that which app you like the most. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe my video. Bye bye.